everyone! Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Netsky Pechki. Today is a very special day dahil if you notice, we are outdoors dahil mag-iihaw tayo today. I'm gonna share with you my tried and tested grilled recipes, namely salmon kebab, chicken wings inasal, and grilled pork liempo. So let's go ahead and find out how it's done. And the marinade for the grilled pork liempo are the following. 1.5 tablespoon salt. 1 small can tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons vinegar, 1/2 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 3 cloves of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon pepper. So i-mix lang natin yung lahat ng mga ingredients for the marinade. Soy sauce, yung suka, yung salt, yung sugar, tomato sauce, and the garlic. And then, we mix them together. And then we put in the pork. Okay, so just mix them. And then, we will put this in the fridge overnight. On how to make chicken wings inasal. So first, season muna natin yung chicken with salt and pepper. Add in the garlic, onions, ginger, lemongrass, calamansi juice, sugar, 1/2 cup suka, 1/2 cup soy sauce. So, imamarinate lang natin to overnight. We'll just put this in the fridge and then it's ready to grill tomorrow. With another oil. Okay, so for the salmon kebab, we will need salmon, cherry tomatoes, zucchini, bell peppers, salt and pepper, and bamboo skewers. Season the salmon with salt and pepper. Cut the zucchini into cubes. So now we're going to assemble our salmon kebab. First, you skew in the tomatoes, and then salmon, and then zucchini, and then salmon again, and then red bell pepper, or yellow bell pepper muna. so much for watching. I hope that you like what I have prepared for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell button so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. God bless you guys. Bye and see you on my next vlog.